What is the factorization of 4x square plus 8x plus 3? Is there any identity that looks like this? No, I don't see it. So, how are we going to solve this? Now look at this question. No identity fits into it. But this is the expression where factorization can be done by splitting the middle term. How do we know if we have to split the middle term or use the identity? Easy and simple. It is not looking close to any identities, so yes, it cannot be done using identities. But if you look, this is a quadratic equation where you have the first term where x is raised to the power 2, second term x is raised to the power 1, third term x raised to the power 0, and that is where we have the constant term. So there is a possibility that yes, using the middle term, this can be done. If it can be done or not, we have to check it out. The given expression is 4x square plus 8x plus 3. Now, I have seen students finding it so difficult to split the middle term. They don't know how to split or what will be the two terms that we get. So that is what I am going to help you understand how to get it. See, the first part is that you take the coefficient of first term, that is where we have the power as 2, and the last term where we have no variable, and take the product of these two terms. So here we get 4 into 3, that is equal to 12. Now find out the factors of 12. So we have 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, and 3 1. So we have 12 as 2 into 2 into 3. Now just look at this, and you have to rearrange these terms in a way that either in sum or in difference we get the middle term, which in our case for this question is 8. So our objective now is to find two factors within this range, that is 2 into 2 into 3. Since these are factors, so the product, just forget it, it's already done. That means we always get the product as 12. We have to rearrange to get this 8 here. So if you see, if we rearrange 2 into 2, 4 into 3, so 4 plus 3 will give us 7, and 4 minus 3 will give us 1, which is not equal to 8. That means this pairing is not going to work. Let's try the other one. We can take 2 and 3 together, thus we get 6 into 2. If we add these two terms, we get 8. If we subtract these two terms, we get 4. But what we are looking for is 8. So this combination works, and that is our trigger point or the way to split the middle term in this case. So just look at this, 8, 6 and 2. That means we can take one term as 6x, another term as 2x. The product here is 6 2s are 12x square, which is the product here, and if we add these two, we get 8x, that is sum, which is what we required over here. So you see, We got this. In other questions, keep a check on the signs here. Like here we have by default plus. When you will need to subtract it, then you may have to choose one sign as positive and one sign as negative, and that is how you will get the solution. Anyways, I will explain such questions as it comes in our next videos. So let's move ahead with this question. 4x square plus 8x plus 3. This can be written as 4x square plus 8x, as we have seen that it can be split in 6x plus 2x. Now 8x is nothing but 6x plus 2x. So we are not changing the expression or its value. It remains the same. We have just made a different representation. So now, if you look, this would be our first bracket and this would be our second bracket. Now, if you look at it, we can take 2 and x as common. That is 2x. So 4x square was here. 2x is gone out. So we are left with 2 here and x here plus 6x. 2x is out. So if we multiply 3 into 2x, we will get 6x. That is what we have done here. And here nothing is common. That means we can simply put 1 and 2x plus 3, which is equal to 2x plus 3. This part we have taken common. Inside we have 2x from here plus 1 from here, and these are the factors. So we got two factors here. One is 2x plus 3 while another is 2x plus 1. So this is the method you have to follow to factorize the expression where you have to split the midterm. Just find the product, then addition or subtraction. That is how you get two figures which will be used for midterm split. And once you have it, nothing is left in the question to be done. It's so simple and straight away. Just don't get scared and start doing it. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.